Mama, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing some of my favorite roller bottle recipes that are natural remedies for your kiddos so that you know that these are kid-safe essential oil recipes. If you stick around to the end, I'm also going to be giving away something that is really helpful as a mama. Hi, my name is Stephanie Calderon. I'm a certified essential oil specialist. I have used essential oils for 14 years, and I've taught other mamas like you for the past 12 years about natural remedies and how to use essential oils safe for kids. It's really important that you have tools on hand because we don't have time to be scrambling around with different essential oil bottles. So I have found that it's super helpful to have roller bottles already made up, ready to go for your kids. So here are some of my favorite recipes. First of all, a happy ear blend. So inevitably, as we move into fall, your kids might need some soothing when it comes to the ears. Always make sure though that you never put essential oils down into their ears. We're going to be rolling it on the outside of the ear. So the recipe is 2 drops of basil, 2 drops of lavender, and 2 drops of tea tree, and a 10 ml roller bottle. Then you're going to fill the rest of it up with fractionated coconut oil or another carrier oil. A carrier oil is just something that dilutes the essential oil, stretches it, saves you money, and reduces the risk of skin sensitivities. My favorite is fractionated coconut oil because it's not greasy, it doesn't have a smell, and it absorbs very quickly into the skin. Another thing that you may be dealing with your kiddos is stomach. So for the stomach, we are going to be doing 2 drops of marjoram, 2 drops of Roman chamomile, and then you're going to fill the rest of that roller bottle up with fractionated coconut oil. I also encourage you to let your kids create their own happy kiddo recipe. Have them smell different essential oils, and the ones that they're really drawn to, put a couple drops into a roller bottle for them. Fill the rest with fractionated coconut oil. This can be their go-to when they're feeling a little bit of anxious feelings. Maybe they've had a down day. They can reach for their own roller bottle that they helped you pick out and make to help them feel better. The other thing is we want to help them wind down when it comes to bedtime. So I shared some diffuser recipes in this video, but if you prefer to roll it on the bottom of their feet, you can make the same blend just in a roller bottle form. So we're going to do 2 drops of lavender, 1 drop of vetiver, 1 drop of cedarwood, and fill the rest up with fractionated coconut oil. You are going to have kids that smell like gerbils, but they are going to be sleeping gerbils. Another thing that we're going to want to do is keep their kids' immune system super high as they're going back to school. So you're going to do 2 drops of On Guard, 1 drop of tea tree, 1 drop of lemon, and 1 drop of frankincense. And again, roll it on the bottoms of their feet before they leave for the day to help keep their immune system high. I hope these roller bottle recipes have been helpful to you. It is super stressful sometimes transitioning into back to school mode. So I hope this has helped you to feel prepared and empowered with some natural recipes for some kid-safe essential oil blends. I've got you, Mom. I am your support system. Please comment any questions that you have on essential oils in the comments below, and make sure you grab your kid-safe essential oil downloader that I have pinned in the comments below.